Meanwhile, a warning from the Police High Command of possible legal action for police officers who continue to breach the rules and regulations of the Firearm Licensing Authority.
The warning was issued in the latest Jamaica Constabulary Force orders and follows complaints from the Firearm Licensing Authority, FLA, that several police officers have failed to renew their firearm licenses. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
A sternly worded reminder in the JCF Force orders calling for full compliance by all JCF members as it relates to Firearm Licensing Authority FLA rules. In 2017, the FLA raised concerns that a number of policemen and women have not been renewing their firearm licenses. According to the recent force orders, despite previous instructions, the Police High Command has information that some members of the JCF and its auxiliary, who are the holders of firearm licenses, have not been renewing such licenses in keeping with the law. It's understood that while policemen and women are issued with service revolvers or pistols to use on the job, some are also licensed firearm holders. The FLA says over the years, some members of the JCF have been tardy in renewing this license, and instructions were issued from the force to its members to rectify those situations. In light of the continued breach, however, the force orders went on to state that members are again being warned to have their firearm licenses renewed in accordance with the law no later than April 1, 2018. It also warned that failure to do so will result in the revocation of licenses and such members being the subject of disciplinary and/or criminal proceedings. Under the Police Services Regulation, a criminal conviction of a member of the JCF may result in that member being dismissed from the force. Herman Green, TVJ News.